everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to do a little resin piece on a big heart chopping board that I have, so I thought I'd film the process and bring you along with me. I guess other than that, let's just get straight into it. So this is the piece of wood I'm going to be working with. It's a beautiful piece of olive wood. I actually think it's beautiful, and I think what I'm going to do is keep the design nice and simple. So I've mixed up my resin already. I've got just one that is white alcohol ink. I recommend using the Pinata alcohol inks. They don't fade over time and they're just beautiful. And then I've also got black alcohol ink in here, and what I have done is added a drop of silicone oil just because that creates beautiful cells. Just don't add too much silicone oil, else it can turn your resin yellow, and it can also burn your resin, and it creates like this burnt look effect, which you don't want. I am also going to add these beautiful little silver stones. They're like crystals. They're really, really beautiful. They're just like crystal chips. And then I might add some of these black ones as well, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, I'm just going to grab some gloves. Make sure you're wearing protective gear when working with resin. I've used craft resin for this project, and if you would like a discount code to try it out, then I'll leave a link down below for that. All I've done to prime this wood is I've just sanded it down a little bit so that the just resin sticks to it nicely, and then if it goes over the edges, which it will, what I do afterwards is just sand it down with a palm sander, and then you get that nice clean edge. So yeah, other than that, let's just pour. I like to use paper cups when pouring because you can squeeze the end and create a little like way to pour. So I'm just going to go straight in and pour my white. It's easy to remember as well that when you're pouring resin onto a chopping board or anything like that, like a canvas, it very easily spreads. I'm just going to take it a little bit lower down here. And then the drips that are falling down as well, once they're set, I can cut them up and put them into another piece to create like a mosaic, which is really cool. Okay, it's looking good so far. I'm going to add a little bit of black now and see how immediately those cells start forming. I'm also going to mix up a little bit of just black on its own, just so we can get that straight line that I like. Okay, I'm really liking how that's looking so far. I'm now going to add some of these. I think there was a little bit too much silicone oil in my black because it's creating these little pores, which I'm going to cover with some gems. But just bear that in mind if you try this yourself. You literally only need the smallest amount of silicone oil, and I think accidentally a little bit too much got out, but that's fine because we can cover it up. Okay, I really like how that's added quite a bit of texture. I am going to add a few of the black ones as well. And I think that's it. I absolutely love this design. I'll show you up close what it looks like, but I'm really, really happy with this. I think it's absolutely beautiful, and it just shows that something really simple can be really, really effective. This is what it looks like up close. How beautiful is that? I love the depth of it just by adding a little bit of texture. And how beautiful are these drips as well. So what I'll do is wait for these to dry, and then once they'll just peel off my silicone mat. I can cut them up and pop them into a mould. I like to put them in bare moulds, and it just creates a really beautiful effect. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos, and other than that, I will see you in the next video.